Hi there, y'all. Dr. Gretchen Rivas, doctor of acupuncture and licensed acupuncturist and massage therapist here in Wilmington, North Carolina, although coming to you from the home office of Hampstead. So today I'm just going to discuss with you a little bit about an herbal tea that we have managed to acquire, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about how you can get some too if you decide you want to order some after this. So the tea is called Golden Flower. It's from Wei Labs, and it is made from a formula that they have been using in China to help as a preventative. So it helps support the lungs and support is antibacterial, antiviral, that type of thing. So when you get this little tin, you'll open it up, and inside you'll find this awesome big bag of herbs. It's a lot of tea, so this will last you probably your whole quarantine and then some. So what you want to do is you want to take a teaspoon of it and put it into one of the little mesh soft tea bags that they give you. You put a teaspoon in that, and then you pull it shut, and then you just give it one tie. You don't want to double tie it or tie it too tight, because then you won't be able to get it reopened and you won't be able to rinse it out, because you can use it multiple times. That's what I've done. So one of the things you don't want to do, though, is use too much, because more is not better in this case, let me tell you, because we learn from experience, right? So we thought we'd use the French press. We did a whole tablespoon instead of a teaspoon, and it tasted really, really bad. So don't do that. Use the recommended dosage. Get a teaspoon out, put it in your bag, drawstring it, and then I put mine in a Yeti cup because it helps it steep longer, better at a hotter temperature. So with the Yeti, as you can see, I've already done it in this one. So I put it in here. I've already got it steeping. I put the water from I have an electric kettle. You can use water from your tea kettle on the stove. It doesn't really matter. And then I only fill it up to about halfway, because if you happen to use a Yeti, it stays really hot and you can burn your mouth if you don't leave room to put a little cool water. Trust me, I've done that. So after you let it steep for a bit, I take a little bit of fresh ginger, because again, this is rather earthy. It's not the best flavor unless you like a little bit of earthy bitter without any flavoring. I take a couple slices of ginger, pop it in there, a dash of cinnamon, push that in there. And then the trick for me, I think, to make it taste better is, of course, honey. And this is crystallized a little bit, that's why I have it down. I'll take a little bit of honey, melt it down in there, and then stir it up, add a little cool water, and then sip away. So it's really, really good when you doctor it just a little bit more. And we have this available. I do have a couple of the tins at the Wilmington office, but I actually think it's better, especially with our shelter at home that we're doing right now, for you to order it directly if you would like to get some. Now tomorrow I have the herbs coming in that are designated for not preventative, but what they've used in China to help treat COVID. It is the direct formula from the Chinese Ministry of Health, and it does have some very different herbs in it. So this is called Golden Flower. The herbs for treatment of is not a tea. They're capsules that you would take, and they're to treat lung heat and the different things that come from COVID, and they don't cause a cytokine response. So I'll talk to you more about those tomorrow when those come in. And in the meantime, below this video, it's not really a film, I will give Elliot my contact at Wei Labs, his information, his phone number, and his direct email. So you can reach out to him, and he can ship this directly to you if you'd like to get some. So just know that it's a good preventative, good Chinese herbs, direct from a very reputable source. I've been working with Wei Labs for about 7 years now. They've helped me help many, many patients. One of my patients, Angela, who is also a good friend of mine, we actually got her stage 4 cirrhosis better. So their herbs are awesome, as is acupuncture. But together, combined, they're amazing. But since really right now, at this moment, all we can do is herbs for this moment in time, it's good to have some in your repertoire of tools to use to stay healthy. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and I look forward to helping each and every one of you. Stay healthy, stay well, stay distant. Bye.